What if you could swap your face into any photo or video in seconds, and it actually looked real? That's exactly what Remaker AI does. Today, I'm showing you how to use this insanely powerful AI tool to create high-quality face swaps in both photos and videos. It's fast, realistic, and the best part, you can start completely free. Let's jump right in. First thing, head over to the Remaker AI website using the link in the description. Once you're there, click Sign In with Google. It only takes a few seconds, and you'll instantly get 30 free credits to start experimenting. When you land on the dashboard, you'll see a bunch of AI tools, photo editing, video tools, even animation. But the core of Remaker, and what it's most famous for, is its face swap tools, both for images and videos. Let's start with those. First up, Photo Face Swap. Click on the single face swap option on the left. This is the simplest and most used tool. You'll see two upload boxes. Upload original image. This is the main photo you want to change. I'm uploading a famous shot of John Wick. Upload target face. This is the face you want to swap in. For this, I'll use a picture of me. Below that, you'll notice two model options, V1 and V2. V1 is faster and uses fewer credits. V2 is slower but delivers far more realistic results. Smoother blending, accurate lighting, and better skin tones. Let's select V2. The processing takes about 5 seconds. And here it is. The face looks natural as a blend of my face and John Wick's face. It looks like it has retained the shape of his face and added my facial features. It's the expression, and we even have the scar. If you're happy with it, just hit download to save the image. Or you even have the option to upscale the output image as well. Now, if you're working with group photos, click multiple face swap. Upload your group picture, and right away the AI will automatically detect every face in it. Next to each detected face, you'll see a plus icon. Click that and upload the new face for that person. You can assign a different target face to each person in the image. Once that's done, click swap, and in a few seconds, every face is replaced. Oh, that's actually surprisingly good. The faces have been swapped seamlessly, and the AI has kept consistent lighting and head angles so it doesn't look too fake. The only small problem is that Will Smith's darker face color didn't quite match with Joey's. But other than that, it's pretty seamless. It's great for team photos, family portraits, or just having some fun with friends. For anyone who edits a lot of photos, batch face swap is where the real productivity boost happens. You can upload up to 50 images at once and let the AI process them all automatically. You get two options, multiple original images. With this, you can apply the same target face to every photo. This will be perfect for brand avatars, marketing visuals, or profile pictures. Multiple target faces. You can also use one original photo and create multiple variations by swapping in up to 50 different faces. If you're managing social content, e-commerce models, or digital characters, this one feature will save you hours. Now let's move into the video section, because this is where Remaker really shines. Single face video swap. Go back to the main menu and choose Video Face Swap. Upload your clip. Remaker supports formats like MP4, GIF, and WebP, up to 500 megabyte per video. I'm using a short film noir clip of a man walking. Very much like an old Hollywood film noir, right? Next, upload the target face you want to swap in. I'll upload a photo of mine here. The source video I gave is black and white film noir, and my target face is in color. Let's see how Remaker handles this. Below it, you'll see two options, regular swap and face HD swap. If you're just testing, regular swap works fine. But if you want cinematic results, always go with face HD swap. It gives you smoother tracking, more detailed textures, and better color matching. I'm selecting HD and hitting swap. Processing takes a minute or two depending on the video length. Once it's ready, click play. And wow, the face follows every movement perfectly. The output has also retained the film noir aesthetic, so my face is also in black and white. There is no weird stuff, no floating heads. This swap is as seamless as it can get. Oh man, put a cigar on my mouth and that would be fire. Now let's say you've got a video with multiple people. Interviews, short films, or group clips. That's where multi-face video swap comes in. Here's the video I'm going to use. A short AI-generated podcast clip, in which for some reason all characters are Asian. Upload your video, and here you have an option to choose face photos. Here we have to select the frames of the video to let the AI know to capture which particular faces. I will choose a couple frames where our characters are visible and hit Detect Faces. The AI will automatically identify every person in the clip and show thumbnails for each face on the right. Oh, okay. Some of those are the same people. Anyway, I will assign the faces accordingly. This time, let's go with the faces of Harry Potter, Ron, and Hermione. For each one, upload a relevant target face. Ron for this guy, Harry for him, and swap the girl's face with Hermione. And here we go. This should be interesting.
I wasn't expecting that ending at all.
Oh, right? It completely changed how I viewed the whole series.
You guys are kidding. I called that twist 5 episodes ago.
Okay. It is not exactly flawless, and we knew it was coming. There are some morphing and warping visible, probably because AI has clearly struggled in identifying the exact faces that I assigned. Can't blame it all on the tool. Both those guys looked very similar. So it wasn't a great success in this demo, but it can be super useful for creative projects or parodies. For content creators or marketers who work with multiple clips, there's also a batch video face swap. It lets you upload up to 10 videos and apply the same face to all of them automatically. That means you can create a consistent digital character that appears across your full video series. A big win for branded storytelling. Remaker isn't just about face swapping. It's a full creative suite of AI tools. Let's give a try to its image-to-video feature. Let's go back home, and under AI Video Tools, click on the Image-to-Video option. This turns still photos into short animations. Here, I will upload my John Wick swapped photo. I will set a vertical aspect ratio for this. And in the text box, just describe what you want to happen. If you want help with prompting, there's a prompt guide as well to support you. I will type, "The man in the black suit is walking forward confidently, slow motion and cinematic." I will select 720p resolution, and the video length is set at 5 seconds. Here above, we can select the video model. I will keep the default Remaker V 2.0 model, which will give us fast generation in high quality. And here we are. Oh my god, that looks awesome! And that's me in the scene. The initial swap was so good, which made the animated video almost flawless. So, in a few moments, our static image has become a moving, realistic short video. Perfect for adding subtle life to travel photos, marketing visuals, or your social media posts. Another interesting feature that Remaker AI has is the Nano Banana Image tool. Here we have some templates, so you can simply pick what you want. Change poses, adjust outfits, create Polaroids, or even make product mock-ups. For example, let's try pose control. I will upload this standing photo, pick a new pose, and click Generate. And here we go. The AI has repositioned the body while keeping the face, outfit, and background perfectly consistent. If you use Remaker a lot and run out of free credits, you can top up easily. Their pricing is really reasonable. You can grab a few hundred credits for just a few dollars, and the larger bundles give you better value per credit. So that's a complete walkthrough of Remaker AI, one of the most versatile and beginner-friendly AI editing platforms right now. Go try it out. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. You'll get free credits to experiment, so test everything and see what you can make. Let me know in the comments which feature impressed you the most. If this helps, hit subscribe to AI with TechSnap, and I'll see you in the next one. we've got plenty more AI tools to explore.